Welcome to another product review on SillyReviews.com. Today we're going to do a video review of the George Foreman Lean Mean Fat Reducing Grilling Machine. This is the large size one. You can fit a couple of hamburger patties on there, some chicken breasts, whatnot, anything you want to grill on there. So let's go ahead and see how this thing works. Here's a chicken breast. How about some salad dressing? Sweet. What about some antacid tablets? How about some dog treats? Just throw a couple of these on there. Look at that baby cook. Look at those grill marks. Nice. Let's put some cheese on there. Nice. How about some beer? Add a little flavor. Beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, and the aromas. Oh, the aroma. How about some edamame? Beautiful. We want to simmer that in there. We want to really sear in the flavor. Let's go ahead and close it up. Let's get some beef in there. How about some beef jerky? Beautiful. Look at it, just cut the fat. Look at the fat run right off of there. What do you think about some sour cream? Perfect. Can it melt some ice cubes? Let's see. Look at them melt. Look at them melt down. Some Diet Coke. Look at the fat. It cuts the fat. This has been a product review for the George Foreman Grilling Machine. It cuts the fat. You've been watching SillyReviews.com.